Having a dashcam can be a lifesaver, especially in unfortunate times of reporting an accident. Let's look at the top 5 dashcams that you can buy for under $50. Stay tuned till the end of the video to see our number 1 selection. For more information, please find the links in the description below. Number 5. Shinting Dashcam. With a 1080p camera capturing full HD video at 30 frames per second, enable you to capture every road condition including license plate details, and that's up to 30 feet away. The dashcam has a super large IPS display screen that helps you see every detail as clear as possible when playing back on this car cam. The Shinting Dashcam has an advanced sensor with an LED light to ensure full high-definition recording during day and night. This dash camera with night vision is designed with an f1.8 aperture and wide dynamic range and is equipped with a wide-angle camera of 170 degrees, which can effectively eliminate visual blind spots, and captures every detail on the way. The dashcam is equipped with a highly sensitive G sensor. Once the vehicle collides, this driving recorder will lock the current video and prevent it from being overridden to ensure the evidence is intact. When the memory card, which is included in the package, is full, the safety camera overwrites the oldest videos to ensure continuous recording, which keeps recording your driving journey. This car recorder comes with a suction cup for the windshield. Easily and securely mount the front car dashcam to your windshield in seconds and can just as easily be detached. As the dash camera is power supplied from a cigarette lighter port, it will power on and record automatically when your car turns on. Number 4. Einheisen Dashcam. Einheisen Dashcam comes with a 3-inch high-definition screen and full HD 1080p resolution advanced sensor, equipped with a wide-angle camera of 170 degrees. A wide field of view reduces the blind spots and captures more details, a record of every driving moment. The Einheisen Dashcam with seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest content when the storage limit of the SD card is reached. The dashcam's built-in adjustable sensitivity gravity sensor automatically detects a sudden collision, then immediately saves the unexpected driving incidents and locks them to the file. The car dash camera will automatically turn on and record and turn off according to the start and stop status of the car engine. In parking mode, the dashcam will automatically power on and start recording when it detects a bump, which keeps your car under your monitoring. Number 3. Chortau Dashcam. This front dashcam recording at 1080p in full HD can clearly record any condition, including license plates, ensuring the best footage and keeping you safe in your pleasant journey. The dashcam will start recording automatically once you start the car engine with a 3-inch display screen that will show you the real-time image. The dashcam uses an SD card for storing, and is equipped with seamless loop recording which overwrites the oldest footage with the newest content when the storage limit of the card is reached. The camera is equipped with a built-in, adjustable sensitivity, gravity sensor which automatically detects a sudden collision, then immediately saves the unexpected driving incidents and locks them to a file, thus preventing any overwriting and thereby protecting your video evidence. This front dash cam is very easy to install and operate. The included suction mount could be easily attached to your windshield in few minutes. Just insert the SD card and connect it to the power supply. The mini dash cam will start recording immediately after igniting as well as shut down, and save the video when you shut off the car engine. Number 2. Orski Dashcam. A full HD, 1080p video capture at 30 frames per second, enables you to capture every possible road condition. A 3-inch super large LCD display that can show the real-time image, helps you see every detail as clear as possible when playing back. This dash camera has superior night vision with 6 unique infrared LED fill lights to allow the dashcam to perform optimally in low light situations. Equipped with wide dynamic range technology allowing for the best night video. Combined with a Sony sensor, 6 glass lenses, and 170-degree wide-angle lens, giving you the clearest images. The high-performance chipset enables you to take full HD videos at 12 megapixels pictures. The G sensor-activated emergency recording automatically captures unexpected driving incidents and protects the recordings. Loop recording allows continuous use by writing over old, unneeded footage. Easily and securely mount the dashcam to your windshield in seconds with the included suction cup, and immediately start recording your safe travels. Number 1. XWA Union Dashcam. This car camera, with a slick and small design, can easily be operated from your phone, where you can set it clearly for the best possible view. Although the small design, you will still be capturing great footage, in full HD at 1080p resolution. With loop recording and night vision, the security camera will record video when driving day and night. Once you inserted a microSD card, you can directly view the playbacks on your phone via an application. If the dash camera detects a sudden shake or collision, the built-in G sensor will lock the footage to prevent the video from being overwritten even in loop recording. You can rotate the camera lens 270 degrees freely, so you can record the front and inside of the car according to your needs, keeping you safe on the road and capturing those special family moments. Alright folks, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We'll keep you up to date with modern tech on the markets, so stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to check the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing for all the products mentioned in this video. Hope y'all having a great day. See you in the next video.